Okay, our next step is actually to restart the interfaces so they can take the new configuration. So the command for that is if down, and then our interface is, let me show you what I've done is we created a file called team0, but in order to match the rest of them, I have moved the contents of it to ifcfg-team0. So just do a move command if you have created a team0 file and move team0 to ifcfg-team0. You just do that and it'll move everything from that file to this one. And so what I'm going to do is if down ifcfg-team0 and then colon and then if up ifcfg-team0. That's going to stop and start the interfaces. This is talking about a syntax error on line 11. There is no line 11 in the file ifcfg-team0. So I'm just going to ignore this error. I don't know what it's talking about. Okay, the bottom line is our connection was successful, and that's all we care about. So now we're going to go ahead and check the status, and the command for that is teamnl team0 ports, and both of our ports that we have changed, the two slaves, they are showing active and current. And the next command I'm going to use is teamdctl team0 state. And if you run this command, it'll show you the runner is round robin. The ports are the ENP0S3 and 0S8, and both the links are up. And that's about it.